Okay, so hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to explain about the Python coding, and I'm also going to explain about the ERD diagram, and I'm also going to explain about the database that we have used for this project, which is SQLite 3. First of all, my name is Bisu Rana and my college ID is ASA203573, and I'm making this video for my assessment 3, which is individual assessment. And so let's dive into the Python coding which you have used for the database. First, I have imported the SQLite 3 for the database and has lib for securely hashing password. I have also defined a database path which stores the name of the database file, and here I have given it restaurant reservation. And then I have created a simple function called getConnection that returns a connection to the database, which helps avoiding the repeating the same code everywhere. And then I have also defined init database function, which is the main part of the code. This function creates all the necessary tables if they don't already exist, so I have given them the special name. And here we can see I have created a table for the users having user ID, username, password, and a table for the customers having customer ID, username, name, contact, email, and gender, and another table for the tables for the restaurant having table ID, special ID for the tables and having the capacity, and another tables for the reservation which stores using reservation ID, customer ID, party size, date, time, table ID, and then another table for the events using events ID, title, description, date, time, and all, and then another tables for the event booking storing booking ID, event ID, customer ID, foreign key. And then I have also checked if the admin user exists. If not, I have created one with the username ID and the hash password 123, as we can see here. And then finally the hashing password that is created for securely converting the plain password into the hash password. For that I have used hash lib SSA 256, this one. So this part here uh, stores the plain password into the hash password. I have already explained. So this is the code for the database. Let's not go through the other codes here, and now let's dive into the ERD diagram. So this file we have already submitted, and here I'm going to explain about the ERD diagram, as we can see here. So this ERD diagram has 6 primary tables, as we can see, named table, customers, users, reservation, orders, and payment. And here the table ID is stored in integer, table number is stored in integer, capacity in integer, and the status in string as available and non-available. And similarly for customer ID, integer, and name in the string, contact in the string, emails, and similarly for other those is created likewise. And here now we can see the relation. The table reserves the reservation, the customer makes the reservation, and the user makes the reservation. So they are all 3 table linked to the reservation, and all the reservation contains the order. So they, and one reservation may have multiple orders, so they are linked like those. And the orders is paid through the payments, and orders is linked with only the payments, not the table is linked directly to the payments. It flows like this. So it's the ERD diagram, and we can see the design here establish a solid framework for managing the reservation, user accounts, table availability, order processing, and the payments. And now let's dive into the database. So now this is our actual database, and here we can see the 7 tables that we have created through the code. Name the customers, name the event booking, the events, reservation, the sequence, tables, and the user. So here as we can see The customer has customer ID, username, name, contact, email, gender. Event booking has booking ID, event ID, customer ID. Event has the event ID, title, description, date, time, maximum participants. And the reservation has the reservation ID, customer ID, party size, date, time, table ID. The sequence has the name and sequence. Table has the table ID and size. User has the user ID, username, and the password has, which we can be seen here. So here the fun part is we can see what's inside the table. So if we do select one of those table, select asterisk from, let's say, the reservation. So, and if we play this, we can see the actual reservation that has been done with the reservation ID, that special reservation ID, the special customer ID, and the party size, and the date that has been done the reservation, and for the time, and with the table ID which they're going to be placed on. So if we choose something else, we can also do that. Let's see for the customers. So for the customers, we can see there is so many details for the customer ID, username with the name, with the contact details, email, and the gender. So what we can do, we can also edit and delete the tables that is already done here from the admin side. So for that, let's try to update one of those customers. So for now, I'm going to try to change the username Badal to something else. Maybe we can say Harry, and the customer ID will be 14. Okay, let's try Harry. So we will try to set the username into Harry. Okay, username into Harry, where the customer ID is 14. So if we run this, it says execution is done without any error, and it is been updated. So if we see again, the name Badal will be changed to Harry. So let's see again. Select from customers. So like we can see, the one name here has been successfully updated. So in this way, the database is done using the SQLite. And that's all for this individual presentation video. Hope you liked my video, and thank you so much for being so patient, and have a lovely day. Thank you so much.